Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Mobile Legends account. If you want to delete your Mobile Legends Bang Bang account, then first of all, launch open the game on your device and wait for the main lobby to load. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the avatar button at the top left corner and then you will come across the Accounts tab on the left hand corner, tap on it. From the menu that appears on the screen, look for Account Center on the right corner. From here, you can then go ahead and look for the Cancel Account button and tap on it. Go through the terms and conditions on the next page and then click on this I have read carefully button at the bottom and click Next. Go through another information on the next page and click on the little circle at the bottom and click Next again. Now, log into the platform account bound by the game. Select any login platform for the game account that you have bound. Now enter your credentials on the next page. After entering your email associated with your account, go to the next field and tap the send button right next to email verification code. Then you'll need to complete a small puzzle. Now go ahead and enter the verification code that you received via email. Now click login. On the next page, select the account that you are currently logged into and then click next. Confirm all the necessary permissions that you need and click on the confirm button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Now click on give up and the application for your game account cancellation will be under review. Now you'll be able to schedule your account deletion for Mobile Legends Bang Bang. It'll take 7 days for your account to be deleted, and once it's done, you'll be able to delete it just like that. That is how you easily delete your Mobile Legends Bang Bang account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.